Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tas Shiko. You're so very much welcome. Kindly hit that subscribe button if you've not, and if you have, thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how to do an office makeup look, a day-to-day makeup look. So without any further ado, let's slide, jump, or walk into the video. So I'm going to start off with a Davis eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to line the bottom part of my eyebrow, and I'm very gentle on this. And then I'm going to line the top part of my eyebrow. I'm going to follow the exact shape of my eyebrows because I don't want this to be too dramatic. So then I'm now going to fill in my eyebrows using the same Davis eyebrow pencil, and I'm very gentle on this. After that, I'm going to use a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. I'm going to start off with the bottom part of my eyebrow, and I'm using an angled brush for this. And to clean up the top part of my eyebrow, I'm going to use NYX or NYX foundation in the shade Cocoa. And then now I'm going to prep my eyelid for eyeshadow, and I'm using a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And kindly blend in your concealer as much as possible because you don't want it to crease. And then I'm going to use this Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm being very gentle on this because this eyeshadow is very pigmented, and I'm not going for that much of eyeshadow look, so I'm being very gentle on this. And then another tip, I'm not holding the handle of the brush too close to the brush. I'm leaving some quite a decent amount of space so that to make it very gentle. Then I'm going to use this nude from LA Colors After Party eyeshadow palette. For eyeliner today, I'm going to use this W7 liquid eyeliner, and today I'm not going for those exaggerated winged eyeliner. I'm just lining very close to my natural lash line, and then I applied my false lashes off camera. And for primer today, I'm going to use this Rimmel Stay Matte primer. Remember, a primer is very important. So I just applied that around my T-zone area because this is the area where I tend to produce a lot of oils soon after applying my makeup. So I just want to apply and then spread to the rest of my face. And then I'm going to use this orange color corrector from Illegal, and I'm using it to hide dark circles around my under eye. As age goes by, people tend to have darker under eyes, dark circles around the under eye, so this comes in handy. You can use an orange color corrector to hide that. So you let it sit for some time and then you blend in. And now I'm going to jump straight into my foundation. And for foundation today, I'm going to use NYX or NYX foundation in the shade Cocoa. And I'm using a brush to apply that. Next, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender and blend in the foundation. So what damp means, you just dip the blender into water and then squeeze out the water. So that just makes the application a little bit more easier. After that, I'm going to lighten some parts of my face, and I'm going to use a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And now I'm going to blend in that concealer. You can use a smaller beauty sponge if you have it, but if you don't have, you can just use your bigger brush, but just be creative with it. Take your time with blending. Just take your time, blend properly. After that, I'm going to use this Revlon Candid setting powder, and after that, now I'm going to contour my nose. You just don't want to have a big looking nose, but people prefer that. Some people would prefer that, but it's for me. I just want to lie. I just want to lie that I have a smaller looking nose. So yeah, I'm now going to contour my nose and make it a little bit more smaller. And to contour my nose, I'm actually using a foundation, I'm using an eyeshadow from the Morphe eyeshadow palette. It's a brown shade from the Boss Mood 35M palette. And now I'm going to warm up a little bit, and I'm using this Zulu by Juvia's brown shade, and I'm using it as a bronzer. And it's actually coming through. I love how it makes me look. And now I'm going to line my lids, and I'm using the Davis eyebrow pencil in the number 003. Then I'm now going to use this protector from Maybelline. And then after that, I'm going to use this Seductress from Maybelline too. And I love how this combo between the protector and the Seductress just looks like. It gives you that perfect nude looking lip, and this is the final look. I just did my setting spray, and that's just how the final look looks like. You can just decide to accessorize with some earrings, but I didn't have office looking earrings. I have the loop ones. So bye.